comes to installing trusses, usually, as long as you ask your manufacturer, they will actually bring a crane out and set your trusses on top of your walls, and they're typically all lined up. So when they set them, what they say is you roll them out. And I'm here at a house where they're in the process of rolling trusses, and I thought it would be a great video to just kind of show people how the process works in case you've got a small project and you're going to be rolling some trusses, what you might be able to do or think about as you're doing it. Okay, so you can see right here, this is the gable end right here, and you can see they've just built their soffit in, right? This is a soffit and they've just stick built it on the outside edge. Don't ever cut or notch trusses. And they may have actually pre-sided this and then set it. And then as you can see, they just roll them out and they brace them. See, they've braced right up in here. They've just braced across each one as they've gone. And then there's the stack. They have not rolled this particular section right over there yet. And so they're in the process of doing that. They'll just pull the next group over and then set it, level it, brace it, nail it, and then move to the next one until they get to the end. That's just a quick rundown on rolling trusses. So if you've got a small project, hopefully that helps you out and gives you a few tips. This has been with Building Code Tips and your construction countdown on rolling trusses.